Apple CarPlay can connect with and be controlled through the MMI display wirelessly. No app is required. It's part of iOS. CarPlay works best with the most recent version of iOS. Be sure to upgrade before using CarPlay in an Audi vehicle. The simplest way to set up a wireless connection is to connect with a USB cable the first time. While using CarPlay while connected, a prompt will appear offering to connect wirelessly on the next trip. Accepting will set up the wireless connection automatically on the next ignition cycle with no need for pairing. To manually set up a wireless connection, unlock the phone and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The wireless connection between the MMI and CarPlay will be via the Wi-Fi channel. With the car in park and the ignition on, open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Phone in the upper display. Then, connect mobile device. A list of available devices will appear. Select the desired device. A PIN will be sent to the iPhone. If it matches the PIN in the MMI, select Pair. The iPhone requests to sync contacts and favorites to the MMI. Select Allow. The MMI will respond with a confirmation request to use Apple CarPlay. Select Apple CarPlay. A data transfer alert and agreement will appear. Select Yes, Agree. The CarPlay interface will appear in the MMI. It is advisable to enable show notifications and sync contacts in the Bluetooth menu by selecting the eye icon next to the Audi MMI listing. CarPlay may also be set up by initiating the connection through the MMI. Select the Phone Apps button on the MMI home screen until the Audi smartphone interface appears in the MMI. Select Two Connected Devices, then New Connection unless the phone was previously connected, in which case select it from the list. Then follow the normal pairing procedure. When accessing music via CarPlay, music services provided by the iPhone can be played. When CarPlay is active, some MMI functions may be accessible only through CarPlay, such as phone and messages. To switch to MMI controls, touch the Audi MMI button in the CarPlay display. Select the Apple CarPlay icon to return to the CarPlay interface.